Peter Singh is an inventor in the Pacific Northwest who has created the strongest, most lightweight building material. In the beginning, he was unable to find someone to make his product, so he started his own factory and created Singh Log Homes. After many years of hard work and dedication, his invention breaks through the barriers of conventional building methods. Not only did Mr. Singh undoubtedly create the way to make the best log home, but probably the strongest, most functional house in the world. After 2008, the bottom fell out of the housing market and there was no demand for prestigious luxury log homes. After that, he began working with his patented spin-off, the Singh Honeycomb Panel, which again surpassed all known building methods in lightweight strength and performance in many applications from floor, wall, and roof structures, as well as post and beam. Singh's core could potentially change the world. Anything conventional lumber and steel can do, Singh's patented materials can do better. But since he was limited to factory size in a down market, Singh decided to focus efforts on only making the best door in the world. Singh's doors are featured in the most expensive homes, billionaires' homes, a clear demonstration of Singh's superior quality. But he would like to see his invention reach every corner in the world. The only way to do that is to make it more affordable while contributing to a better world for being environmentally friendly. This most dimensionally stable lightweight material is the best resource for the most structure strength in the building industry, especially in the light of potentially replacing steel at a greatly reduced cost. Now, in an effort to downsize and make the case for downsizing, the richest man in the world just sold his mansions to live in a $50,000 tiny house. This house is made of materials that one might use to build an RV or mobile home and are far less efficient than Singh's core. With Singh Core, you could build the tiny house many times stronger, packed with insulation, and without traditional framing. This revolutionary building material is so unique that one Singh tiny house builder would sell his for $5 million. Not limited to only revolutionizing building materials, at the outset of the COVID epidemic, Singh revitalized his 40-year-old breathing apparatus, which is currently in use in hospitals around the world, turning it into a virus-killing machine. To date, this is far better than any mask available by extracting air from above the droplets and includes a disinfectant chamber to process and kill any potential viral exposure, yet as simple as a filtration system, making it very easy to breathe. He wants people to know that they can confidently breathe safely, no matter what virus threats we may face in the future, and this is the best way to do it. A technology enthusiast, Singh has invented solutions for the electric vehicles that are becoming the rage. His battery system can double the range of existing technologies that can be easily exchanged at any time, anywhere, during your commute or trip in minutes by swapping out the battery and the powertrain at the same time. This is a huge leap forward for electrically powered vehicles. And speaking of electricity, Singh has invented the most effective method of extracting energy from the vast amounts of water that cover our planet. Instead of using the current of the ocean from tides coming in and out, Singh's method harvests energy from tidal movement up and down, which never stops as the ocean is always in motion. This is the most efficient way to affect the energy crisis. And regarding our people's efforts to reach into outer space and to benefit more advanced communication systems, Singh's Air Balloon Space Hub platform hovers halfway between Earth and space, hosting Singh's space drones, which were invented almost 40 years ago, and these transport equipment, cargo, food, or any supplies to space. No need to carry waste for all that heavy fuel to reach space. And likened to a relay race, just hand off the delivery to the hub and let the drones take it from there. So simple. There are so many inventions invented by Peter Singh that are simple and work incredibly. Proof positive is the fact remains that Singh's door is definitely the best in the world, and his inventions are changing the world. You can contact Peter Singh at singhcore.com. Share this with your friends.